This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 6, 2023. It's currently September 6, 2023, 10 p.m. Eastern Time. The S&P 500 at the time of this reading is currently 4,465.48, and the shuffle file we're about to play for the October 6th reading was created on July 28, 2023 at 1:37 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme of behavior for the day, we're bound by a range, or we meet an important range on a multi-day scale. Behavior around the high, we bump up against resistance sideways. We're bumping along resistance sideways. We may break through, bump along it some more, but the majority of that behavior around the high is going to be bumping along sideways. And behavior around the low looks like multiple false bottoms. I'm advised to be cautious there. And I'm also advised to trade around the period of volatility that ends with a fast sudden move higher. My sense is that there's this sharp drop like we expected overnight into a low here first thing in the morning. And then we have this big move out of the low to a high somewhere between 10 and 11 o'clock. A big move reaching for distant resistance. Then it should get kind of like price swingy here, bearish price swings. We might see another high around 12 o'clock and then a notable decline. Then we meet a resistance level that we've met many times before and failed to break through, followed by more decline into like the 2 to 3 o'clock hour. Sideways rotation or around the 2 to 4 o'clock hours after a notable decline from a resistance that we met many times before. Sideways rotation, then right at the close looks like a bit more decline. There's a lot of movement to the upside here, guys. Like, you could probably do it'd be ballsy, but you could probably do a scalp to the upside, buy a long position at the open and hold the long position into this big move higher around 10 o'clock, reaching for distant resistance. This midday trade's too difficult there's too many possible scenarios for me to make it. I don't want to talk about that when it's not clear enough. But the sneak preview for the following day is a decline that ends with a fast sudden move higher. Guys, so we made it we had this big drop. Provided we had this big drop, there should be a lot of people that made money. Make sure to follow through on the rule of karma. 5% of the profits forward to one of the charities here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits back to the channel. Thank you. That's how the channel continues to put out content with people following through on this rule. It's the right thing to do, my friends. That leaves you with 90% of the money. Make sure to spend that money out of love. As long as you follow those 3 rules, you're an angel investor of the channel. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.